Okay guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to create this beast just like the last video about the super magnet, but in this video I'm going actually to keep using it, so maybe I could show more and beast even with the same loadout. So yeah, let's go to the game, which I'm going to play in Sky Island because it's just such a calm place, isn't it? 909 fair. Let's go to the beast. Oh, that's the first feeling. That's the first time I've used it. It's so slow and I killed him. Well, obviously we all know that beast is basically guaranteed killing you any type of armor and such. Just the thing is you have to get hit with it, like at least both of it. Stop spam and at 1 minute left. Okay, I'm going to have to come back this shit. Let's go, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh. No, he actually killed me. But I killed him too, so fair enough, fair threat. Okay, with this, boom, boom, boom. Gotta be a little bit faster here, my pet. Kill him. What a G-pet. And beast, let's go above the sky so I can run by itself, not crashing to any place. Let's go, this is G game. I just joined, but I guess cool. Let's go to the death match. I hope the death match is like 3 minutes, because don't be like the last video, bro. I wanna make a quick video, but not too quick. Basically just me talking, so I think let's just go to War of Toys, maybe. No, not Fall, because it's open map. No, actually Candyland. Because North Pole is so small, I really hate hearing the like I know the video will make like too much noise. Yeah, here we are in 2 minutes left, it's fine. Let's go with the beast. No, it's a flying star shit. Him again, where is he now? Power second burger. You're dead. Anyone, you bot? Shit, you dodged that. Bro, I hate this guy so much. Bro, you deserve to lose, not to win. I deserve to win. Last game I get top 5 because the stupid lag and I don't know. Beast. What? This really target a turret? A projectile? Can I be top 2 please? Because I know the Starfall guys top 1. Bro, you dead. I will kill him. Where is he? Once we meet, I will beat him up. If I beat him, fuck's sake. Hey, you sucker. See, where is he again? Mad, cause bad. That's what his name, bro. I'll beat you well, bro. Not in that match. You keep killing as much as possible. Not against skill, but skill. That name should be on a duel guy, not a deathmatch spammer guy. Anyways, so basically This is the guy that ruined this video again, just like the last guy spamming last of butterfly, I believe. I don't know, I forgot. So that's it, that's all. That's what about the bees, and I'm going to use it for the next video. And the next video, I'm going to be creating this, where is it? This shit. Armor generator. See you in the next one. Bye.